of a raw food baby, mom and dad. Today with a mom, we will do a very nice, short and quick recipe for the plant milk. There is a lot of different plant milks, but if you want them raw, most of the time this is nuts or seeds, and it's a fatty milk. And we can't really well combine it with fruit. If you want a smoothie based on the plant milk, or a milkshake or something a bit richer than just the fruit and greens, plant milk is a good idea. Even if we don't drink milk, and I see no point in having milk in your diet of any kind, sometimes this drink is really delicious, it's very well digested and is full of minerals. That's the point. So from time to time you can have such a milk in a nice warm smoothie, or most of all you can introduce it in smoothies in place of the water to enrich it for babies and children. So what do we have? It's not a nut, it's not a seed, it's more like a tubercle, so like potatoes or peanuts. It's growing in the earth, and it's a very, very small nut, so you know maybe already what it is: Chufa or tigernuts. And there are two different names. It's a very hard kind of nut, even if it's not a nut really, and it's not fatty. It's more sweet than rich in fat. So you can have a very nice plant-based raw milk, vegan and rich of nutrients, that will combine really well with bananas or dates or other sweet fruit to create very nice milkshake-like texture. So we have here 1 cup of tiger nuts soaked at least 24 hours. It's a very, very hard nut. You can eat it, you can chew on it, but then you spit out all the fiber because it's very, very fibrous. And eating it like that can be very challenging for some people who have fragile and sensitive intestines. So, for a healthy gut, it's a nice fiber, but it can be really irritating. So, 1 cup of tiger nuts. So we use it exclusively in milks. Let's say a few times per year, but it's a very nice drink. 4 cups of the same amount of water. So I measured 1 cup of dried tiger nuts. You can add some dates to sweeten it up even more, but it's naturally already sweet. And then you can always add some dates if you want to use this milk to create some milkshakes. So let's blend in a beloved Abel's blender. It's Optimum 9200A, one of our favorite blenders for a very affordable price. We will have the discount codes for you in every English-speaking country, as well as in France. So please check it up on our website, soon available. So wait a little bit. We will be very, very glad to offer you a discount code for all Optimum blenders. And this one is one of our favorite. It's a very powerful blender, so you need to learn how to use it. Let's put on fast, and we'll blend for about one and a half minute, or at least twice 45-second program. Let's do this. slightly warm. Now we need to separate the fiber from the milk, from the liquid. So I have a nut milk bag here. Let's just put all that in. We'll use the blender later to make some smoothie. And if you like to have some more recipe, or you would like to see a recipe for hot chocolate, raw vegan hot chocolate with Abel, please let us know. Please subscribe, press a like button and support our channel. So I wanted just to say that this milk is wonderful for children and babies. When you use it for children and for babies, don't create milkshakes or nut milk that contains some cacao powder. Rather use a carob powder for the chocolate flavor, because cacao is quite exciting, and they have many problems with sleep later on. Even me, I can't have a raw chocolate anymore. After so many years of a raw food diet, I can't support all the excitants anymore. So we use carob powder, but sometimes just for the taste, you can add a little bit of cacao. I rinse my hands and the milk is ready. Let's try. It's just delicious. It's a little bit like commercial rice milk. Very fluid, very slightly sweet and very mild texture. You can do a lot of things with it, and above all, combine it with bananas. Here is our milk. One last thing, put it in a large jar that you can easily put your hand in, because after some few days you will have some starch at the bottom, so you just take a fork and you scratch it and it will go away. So there is a little bit of starch in this milk. Delicious, plant-based, low